retirement. A word that often conjures images of relaxation, leisure, and the end of a long career. It's the light at the end of the tunnel, a beacon of hope and tranquility, the promise of freedom after years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But what if you could reach that freedom sooner? Imagine cutting years off your working life. What if you could retire early on your own terms? It's not a fantasy. It's a tangible goal. It's entirely possible with the right plan and the right mindset. Financial independence is within your reach. This guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to achieve financial independence and retire early. We'll explore practical steps, real-life success stories, and actionable strategies. You'll learn how to budget, invest wisely, and make your money work for you. Get ready to take control of your future and embrace the possibility of a life free from the daily grind. Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Early retirement isn't about lounging around all day. It's about living life on your own terms. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, whether that's traveling, learning new skills, or simply enjoying your hobbies. Spend time with loved ones, creating memories that last a lifetime, and design a life that truly resonates with you. A life filled with purpose and joy. Are you ready to seize that freedom? Let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. Financial independence is the cornerstone of early retirement. It's the ultimate goal for many who seek freedom from the daily grind. It means having enough wealth to sustain your lifestyle without relying on a traditional job. This wealth can come from various sources, like investments, savings, or passive income streams. Imagine waking up without an alarm, traveling the world at your leisure, or pursuing your passions without financial constraints. The possibilities are endless when you're not tied down by financial worries. That's the power of financial independence. It allows you to live life on your own terms and celebrate milestones that truly matter to you. It's not about being rich, it's about having enough. Enough to feel secure, enough to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, and enough to share with those you love. Enough to cover your expenses. Enough to pursue your dreams. Enough to live life on your terms. It's about creating a balance that works for you. Financial independence provides security, flexibility, and the freedom to design your ideal life. It gives you the peace of mind to enjoy each moment. Achieving financial independence requires a shift in mindset. It's about thinking long-term and making smart financial decisions consistently. It's about prioritizing long-term financial well-being over short-term gratification. This means making sacrifices today for a more comfortable and secure future. It's about making conscious choices today that pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. Every small step you take now can lead to significant rewards in the future. The first step towards financial independence is gaining control of your finances. This means understanding your income, expenses, and financial habits. You need to know where your money is going and how to make it work for you. By tracking your spending, you can identify patterns and areas where you can cut back. That's where budgeting comes in. A well-planned budget helps you allocate your resources efficiently and ensures that you are prepared for both expected and unexpected expenses. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about making informed choices. It empowers you to prioritize your spending and save for future goals. It's about allocating your income in a way that aligns with your goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new home, or retirement, a budget helps you stay on track. Track your spending, identify areas for improvement, and redirect funds towards your savings and investments. Regularly reviewing your budget can help you stay disciplined. Saving is crucial for early retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. It's the fuel that propels your journey to financial freedom. Consistent saving habits can lead to financial security and peace of mind. Start small if you have to, but start consistently. Even small amounts can add up over time and make a significant difference. Automate your savings, cut unnecessary expenses, and celebrate each milestone. Automation ensures you save without even thinking about it. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your dream. Each small victory brings you closer to achieving your financial goals and living the life you envision. Saving is essential, But it's only half the equation. To truly grow your wealth, you need to invest. Investing is not as intimidating as it seems. It's about putting your money to work for you, generating passive income, and accelerating your progress towards financial freedom. There are various investment vehicles available, each with its risks and rewards. Explore your options, seek expert advice if needed, and diversify your portfolio. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Investing is a long-term game. Don't be discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your goals, remain patient, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time.